Traders, how y'all doing? Weekly forecast for next week, update on the trading week behind us, looking at the risk assets. We're not going to look at Forex, which is actually what I'm trading. Had a great week trading Forex, up about $5,000 on my personal account, just risking 1,000 to make 2,000. So let's look at Bitcoin. Doesn't look good actually to me. So the issue is there's the main issue is that we have the all-time high, and when we hit the all-time high, we're supposed to break out of it, and we didn't. So I'm not shorting here. I'm not in the market, but usually what we'd like to see for continuation, break the all-time high and just go. We can retest it on a lower time frame. But if we close the weekly under the old all-time high, the last two times that happened, we had a 50% drop, nothing really happened, and then we had like a 70% drop. So not very good, not what you would necessarily want to see. I guess one bright side for possibility of higher. I'm not calling a top, I'm just saying be careful. Is the funding rate normalized a little bit today with everybody getting stopped out? The funding rate has come down quite far. So there's a lot less leverage. And I'm not trading, but this has worked well to buy one of these red days and put a stop at the wick and just try for new all-time highs. Maybe that would work. I'm not doing it because the area is too dangerous, and I know that if we close the weekly under the old all-time high, certain traders will be very concerned and will start to unwind their positions. So, um, yeah. That's my thought on that. I don't really need to look at ETH or Total 3 too much. We can. Same kind of thing. I mean, it's a big red day. Like we've been up only for so long. I'm not one to call top, but I'm very happily have been out of this market recently. Let's take a quick look at gold. Gold, similar issue here, but we're holding over this all-time high, but we want to just see it go. For me, the gold buy that we want is we want to go to gold futures. I want to buy gold when when commercials are going long. So here was a perfect buy on this day, Wednesday the 14th, and I bought on that day as commercials had been going long or reducing their shorts for weeks. Up here, commercials put on heavy short positions. Commercials are usually right. We want to follow them. So I don't see, again, I don't really like risk shorting risk assets, but this is not a buy point. The next buy point, when will that be? Who knows? So let's look at silver futures. Um, data, I don't have it, but uh, maybe a little bit healthier. Let's look at the stock market red day. It's kind of changed. It's kind of changed to me. I mean, maybe we just go higher, but healthy pullback correction might be reasonable. I mean, one of the setups that has been working, which interested to see, is just buying the weekly sweep. We had one in January and could ride it up. We had one in early January. I would be a little bit cautious though. Like, I mean, again, people are going to buy the dip and try this trade on US 100, try to get back to new all-time highs from today, risk something like that. Might be reasonable. Again, I'm not that interested in doing it. Also, we have a potential trendline break here, which people look at too. So I'm kind of want to be careful on that one too. And then there's just change of character on the stock market. Like the Japanese yen had this nice write up and had a pretty large correction, consolidating. Personally, to trade stocks, I really want to see us take a weekly low and then buy from there, or a monthly low and buy from there. I said I'm not going to look at Forex, but let's look at the dollar. The dollar, the dollar is rallying, and it came into this area and is moving upwards. And it wouldn't be hard for me to see it come up here. So, um, let's see. I said I wasn't gonna look, but just to show you guys, the winning trades from this week. Won this trade, 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 won this trade. So many trades. Won, and I'm in this one, and I'm in this one. I just entered this one, just waiting. So break even just started. Okay, that's enough. That's the weekly update. What to look for next week and my thoughts on the market. I'm just trading Forex. You want to know more about that? There's going to be a link in the description. Much love. Peace.